Hello everybody, Hendrix here for Hendrix Plays Minecraft Season 2, Episode 8. Doing another video today, and we have a very serious cause to go over. Excuse me, we have a very serious thing to go over even, and we need to go over it now. Let me make sure I have the supplies, okay? Okay, listen up everybody. Last episode, unfortunately, my dog died. But let's not moan about it. Let's think. How can we get another dog? We need bones. Where do we get bones? From skeletons. Where do skeletons spawn? At night and in caves. So that's why today, in today's episode, if I can find it, we're going to explore a ravine and we will find bones to Sorry, I was talking really fast there. We will find bones, and we will avenge my dear dog that didn't have a name yet. And also, I don't want people to put in names and not have a dog, and my dog not have the names of. You get what I'm saying. So we're gonna go explore this ravine. I did see a little bit of iron, but in the long run, that's not what we're looking for. And also, there's some lava here. Sorry, wow, okay. But that's not what we're looking for. We are looking for bones. Oh no, that is so gonna spill. No, it won't, okay. And we will pick up some iron and stuff, but I want to actually get in the big cave, you know. Sorry about the weird intro, but hello everybody. Welcome to the new video, and, well, depending on when you're watching it. If it's the day after it came out, it isn't very new. And I just uncovered some iron, and, well, my pick kind of broke, but I thought it would, so I made an extra in between videos. Just so we wouldn't have to, you know, stumble around that. But yeah, no wolf died, so I really want to get another one so people don't try and name something that isn't there. So keep putting your names in the comment section of that one video. Only that one though. I won't accept it if it's not in that video because they said that it had to be specifically that video. We just got lapis lazuli ore. Beautiful. That's cool. I mean, lapis lazuli isn't that good, but it can be used in enchantment tables. And when we get there, that's going to be pretty helpful. That's going to be really helpful, actually. Yeah. I'm glad I got that. And there's some gold over there, too. Okay, this is a very good ravine. Next stop is diamonds, okay? If we can find some diamonds. Oh, baby! We are rolling in the dough. There. We are rolling in the dough. And also, I have some KFC that they might be nibbling on in the video if you're wondering why I'm holding, like, one of these. But I probably won't. Anyways. Yeah, and it's leading to iron, too. This is really good. I'm getting some good spawns with this, unlike the old world. I was just bad at that world. I'm glad we're having this season 2. Anyways, things are going well. Things are going up Hendrix style, you know. And I'm liking it. I am liking it. So, let's keep walking through the cave, you know. Seeing if there's anything worthwhile, like gold or lapis or diamonds. I know I'm aiming high with those diamonds, but we're gonna need to get it at some point, you know. Oh no diamonds. Okay, that was actually way shorter than I expected it to be. I thought that I would go on for longer. And I thought there'd be at least one skeleton willing to give up its bones. But no, so looks like we're gonna have to keep looking. But Also, I kind of want to look around this lava. Oh no. Oh no, no, no! I made it worse. I made it worse. Dang it. Now what do I do? Now what am I going to do? I know. Please don't bleed into here. I stop it at the root. I do not do that. I stop it at the root. Is that the root? I think it is. No, that is the root. Okay. Now I will stop. And I'm pretty sure it's more likely for diamond. Oh no. Do not burn me. Okay, that almost got me. I screamed very loudly and quite girly-esque. And I'm gonna need a torch to actually get this place, keep it well lit. Because lava does give off a lot of light, and when it's not there, it looks much darker. Oh my gosh, that was so close. Way too close for comfort. I almost died. Okay. The last bit goes. And I get mining to try and find some diamonds because it must be pretty deep because we're finding some other more rare ores. So, you know, why not some diamonds, eh? Why not some diamonds, eh? Why not some... Nope, okay, there's no diamonds. Well, what are we gonna do now? That was my plan for the video, to go in the ravine and to find a bone so I can get a new dog. Because I really did like having the dog around. He really helped out, and it was just fun and loving. And I want it back. I want another new dog. I want a new dog. I need another dog to suit my needs. Oh, I hope you guys heard that. The mic is quite far away, so you might not have. But I was just doing a very weird accent of me planning for the dog. Anyways, so... Oh, no. Okay, almost fell there. It's this way that we sell exit through. And also that would collapse if I put a torch on it, so I'm not going to do that. So yeah. But hopefully a skeleton decided to spawn while I was gone. That happens a lot. No? No, he's not coming. There's no skeleton. I kind of need a skeleton right now. I kind of need one. Kind of do, you know. Just a little bit, though, you know. Just a little lot, am I right? Okay, come on, I need a skeleton. It's really dark over here, mostly because it is night. This is a big risk, but I'm going out in the night. I'm going to be careful, but I really want to find someone like you. Give me bones. That was a bad idea. I can still take him though. I think he dropped a bone. I'm pretty sure he did. Did I get it? I got one bone, one single bone. Okay, that is all I need. If I find the perfect dog, then I can give it the bone. And then he will love me and he will be my dog. But it's only one bone. You know, in the morning when I wake up, then there's gonna be skeletons burning, right? Yeah, like that one. So I can just go up and steal their the bones they drop. Hasn't even noticed me yet. Wait, is that? That's not a skeleton, is it? Oh no! Wasn't a skeleton. but still hurt me a bit. So I'm going to heal a bit with some of that. I saw something move, I think. Let's go in here. Okay, yeah. Yep, okay. Hey, I'm gonna hit you with a bone to get the bone more juicy. Ah, no, I'm being crowded. Okay, I gotta bring out the sword. There you go. Thank you. I wish you guys were skeletons though, because then you'd give me more bones. And also, are there no wolves back here? Usually there's a pretty good amount of wolves, you know. I'm just hanging out in my front yard. I almost said backyard, but it's not my backyard. Okay, now it's a creeper. I'm gonna walk away from him, and he did not even notice me. Okay, that's really good. There's stuff down there. I need to find a dog. I need to find the perfect dog. I'm on a journey. You know, any dog will do. Any dog that will accept one bone, please come my way. Please. Pretty, please. Pretty, itty, pretty, please, with a cherry on top. And a Santa's hat. Nope. Okay. Yep. They don't want me. No one wants to be with me. That is horrible. I must find one though. And I hope I don't get lost. That'd really suck. But I will find my way. What was that voice crack? Oh wow, that was okay. That was very weird. Okay. I definitely need to find this. I thought I heard hissing of a creeper. I think it was just me going. Sss. We need to find. Yeah. We need to find some wolves though, or one wolf that would like my one bone. Can I just pry bones out of my Minecraft character's body and give it to wolves? I'd do that if I could. More unimportant bones. Which there are probably no unimportant bones. They are probably all very important to your body. But come on, there's like 300 of them or something. What's gonna hurt taking out one and giving it to a wolf, am I right? Yeah, I'm right. I'm always right. Anyways, there's my house over there. Still haven't found a wolf. I kind of need to do that. That's the whole point of this video. I found a chicken, but I didn't find a wolf. No, I am so mad at you. I shall throw an egg at you. Any wolf, okay? I'm gonna hope he's one that will like one bone. He probably won't be. That's probably really hard to find. But please, just let me get lucky. I did have a wolf, but it died to me and a skeleton. I think I got the last hit on him though. I didn't mean to though. You know what? I bet I know it. They're running away from me because they know I'm the so-called wolf killer. Because I let my wolf die, okay? I didn't mean to though. It was an accident. I tried to save him. I tried to, horse. I can see you looking at me with those dead eyes. I can see you getting mad at me. Actually, no, that was that sheep over there. I'm sorry. I'm gonna hit you anyways because I'm mad. But seriously, guys, this is really, really annoying. Like, how hard should it? It shouldn't be this hard to find a wolf in Minecraft, especially when you live next to a forest. Could it be? I think that's a sheep. I am almost 100%. Yeah, that's a sheep. Dang it! I really thought I found something there. I guess not. I guess I'm back to pain and misery. Oh, that is a lot of wheat, though. Okay, wow. Now I feel bad because I told all those people to go and comment down below what name they wanted. But now they're not gonna get anything out of it because we won't need. Why? Anyways, guys, how long has this been? Okay, it's been 15 minutes of me whining about losing my dog. I'm sorry, but I need to find it. I need to find a replacement. And I need to very quickly. Because I don't want this video to be 20 minutes long of me. You know what? Most of my videos are 20 minutes long at this point. But I want to find a wolf in those 20 minutes, okay? If a guy says, hey, tame a wolf in 20 minutes, what do you say you could do it? Well, it's harder than you think, okay, bud? It's harder than you think. It's harder than you think. Why did I do it like that? Say it like that. Oh my gosh. I swear, I can't talk. I cannot talk. I probably physically won't be able to talk after this video because I've been talking so much. That was a piece of singing art from Hendrix McLaurin C D D D boop a doop a doop a doop. His parents were robots, so they named him that. They've legally changed his last name to that weird coding thing. Just because they were robots. And Hendrix is also a robot. That's why his last name is like a robot. Okay, I'm sorry, but I don't know how to do commentary at this point. We're looking for a wolf. That's all I can really say. I'm hopping along trees trying to find a wolf, but I ain't finding nothing. Like, come on. There has to be one Minecraft wolf out here in this dense forest. Okay, I've found 2 before. Okay, one I found like 5 bones and it didn't even like me. It didn't even have joy with any of the bones I fed it. It didn't feel any emotion towards me. Skeleton. Is that too much to do this for? Apparently it is. Because I can't find anything. You guys can skip along the video if you want it. Just gonna be moaning about, oh my gosh, hang on. Be moaning about losing my wolf. Why? But wolves help you because so finally something besides moaning about my wolf. But they help you so much because like they try to attack like bad guys when they like zombies and whatever when they kind of try and come towards you. So that's just like is super helpful because you get some extra damage on them, you know, and you can heal them just by giving them like meat. Even raw flesh works. So yeah. And I let mine die. Why? Why? Is that what I think it is? Is that what I think it is? That is a Vindicator Mansion. I'm speechless. Guys, I'm sorry. But in the next episode, we will explore this Vindicator Mansion. We get to explore the Vindicator Mansion. And it's gonna be awesome. So thanks for watching, everybody. Me tried to find a new wolf. It didn't really work out. But guys, I'm still doing it. So make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below. If you want to be on the subscriber wall, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.